So what we have here is an automatic transmission, electric shift PTO. You got your front left, front right sprayer, your side sprayer, your rear left and right. Transmission, it's in park, neutral. Simply turn on your PTO. And if you want to spray while you're in neutral, you can just open up any one. We go open up the front right. Just gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of throttle. There we have it. So you can do that while you're in neutral and park. If you want to go mobile, just simply shift it, put your brake pedal, press on that, neutral, drive, and we're gonna shift it into select first gear. We just want to make sure that the transmission is not jumping up and down while we're spraying, so I'm gonna keep it in my low gear. That way I can get the best output out of the system. You desire to go to second gear, you can just do that by selecting the arrow up, but the truck is gonna move faster, and usually on the rough terrain it's not good for the truck to be in a certain high speed on second gear. So we'll do our video in first gear and we'll demonstrate that on the next video.